What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to set up your messages on Telegram desktop app to auto destruction, to self-destruction. First thing, review the upper left corner of your Telegram app, okay? And click into these three little dots, okay? This hamburger icon. And before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your settings. Once on settings, go to privacy and security. Right here, we're going to be able to find two-step verification, auto-delete, local passcode, passkeys, blocked users, active sessions, social, go to auto-delete messages. Mine is set as off. It can be after a month, after a week, or set up a custom time. For example, after 1 year, my message is gonna be deleted, okay? It's a setup possible. Or you can set this as off, all up to you, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget that if enable, all messages in chats will automatically delete it for everyone, but the new message, not the ones you already sent, okay? And that is. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.